नमस्कार, मैं हूँ नई दिल्ली के प्रेस क्लब ऑफ इंडिया में और यहाँ पर मिते समाज द्वारा जो है एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रखा गया है। हमारे साथ कुछ लोग जुड़ चुके हैं जिन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रखी है और कई मुद्दों को लेकर के इन्होंने बातचीत की है और मौजूदा जो वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं उनसे भी कहीं ना कहीं ये लोग अपील कर रहे हैं। तो हमारे साथ एक मेतेई समाज के एक व्यक्ति हैं जो जुड़ चुके हैं, उनका नाम जान लेते हैं। सर, आपका व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Phijam Ibungobi Singh, father of victim Phijam Hemanjit Singh, missing with Luangbi, Lithoingambi. They are missing from on the 6th of July 2023. They went towards the Churachandpur district. After that, they never come back. Then later on, one photograph has seen at the month of the, I think later on after अगस्त का बाद में एक वायरल फोटोग्राफ देखा। दो फोटोग्राफ, एक पहले उन दोनों को पकड़ के एक जगह में बैठ रहा है behind the two gunmen. The photograph is here anyway. Then the next photograph is very unlucky. Both of them, my son and his friend Luangbi Lithoingambi, lying on the ground as dead body. It has been confirmed that on 6th of July they went towards the Khopum Kasar Road, Old Kasar Road. This is towards the Churachandpur. This is towards the Churachandpur district. So that photograph, big photograph, yes, here. Okay, this is on internet. Internet uploaded. The two photographs is uploaded. This is both are sitting. This photograph is they are captured by the deco. Here is two armed guards are here. They are sitting under the aerial view of the barrel of the guns. Then this is very unlucky. Next photo is, what is this? This is very hard. This is very heart choking. Both are lying on the ground. So anyway, after missing 6th of July, at August 25 lump sum, case is handed over to the CBI, and the case is under investigation. Assam Kamaruk, a judicial magistrate. But it is very long time. But so body from the CBI side, nothing information has been given to me, to family side. So ritual function also yet not performed. Any kind of cloth or bond is not received by the family. It is not authorized to perform ritual function. So it is a great difficult to me. As per the photograph, there is no more. So if the photograph, as per the photograph, there is no more. So what I will do, if as a part of the dead body somebody is available, it will be perform the ritual functions. So my family and my family, mother of the Hemanjit, जैसे ऐसा है ना, हमारा कल्चर का पार्ट है ना, कोई मरने वाला को घर में नहीं आ सकता है। इसलिए घर का बाहर गेट है ना, गेट में उन लोग का खाने पीने का चीज डेली मॉर्निंग भी रख दिया, रात भी रख दिया। उसी समय में मेरा वाइफ ने, उनका हेमंत का मदर ने, शी इज क्राइंग ऑलवेज. So it is also very difficult, very worried to me. So from as well as father of the Luangbi Lithoingambi, in our Manipuri press, he always told to the Prime Minister Modi ji, आपका बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ कहा गया, मेरा बेटी लड़की नहीं किया, ये पूछ रहा है. This is on the behalf of the father of the Luangbi Lithoingambi. This is all very urgent question to the honorable Prime Minister. This is for the father of the Luangbi Lithoingambi.
इस चीज को लेकर के वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री जी से बातचीत की?
Before इसी फोटो को देखने के पहले 2 बार memorandum has been given to the board of CM and the governor to trace out 2 times. After getting the photograph also, both CM and the Excellency Governor of Manipur also informed to trace out. But even Excellency Governor, she's coming at my residence also. But CM not coming. Or that is coming or not coming. This is not a matter to me. No.
अब आप चाहते क्या हैं?
अभी चाहते माने क्या बोलेगा, दिस नॉट ओनली फॉर मी, somebody is मर गया, उनके लिए कुछ religious function, ritual function is necessary for every community. So without getting any kind of peace their body, it is not possible. So it is very difficult to me. अभी पगला का माफी रहा है, just madman, क्या बोलता है पगला है ना, इसीलिए क्या करेगा. No hopeless, aimless family. And just one more thing, those victim families, our life is very difficult. Our future life, remaining life, never coming happiness. Never is very strong word in English. So by using the word never, I am using our remaining lives. Never coming happiness. Not only me, all the missing families. Suppose my father, my mother also mar gaya due to natural death. This is also sorrow, but this is the natural procedure. Not serious too much in one way, but this is not natural death. This is very serious. It's simple mistake. Actually, Kuki peoples are always observing using by the binocular. As per the CBI report, they are captured by a gypsy and disabled to another place. Actually, this is in fact. I am not the authority of the court. Whereas in fact, this is murder by the Kuki. कुकी मिलिटेंट हॉट क्या बोलेंगे, उधर नजदीक में लाठी भी है देखो, और ये उनका आर्म तो टूट गया हो सकता है. हाउ मच बेंड द नेक. दिस इज वेरी ब्रूटल किलिंग एंड एज बीइंग एज दिस इज गर्ल, इसको कैसा क्या क्या करता है हम पता नहीं, क्योंकि इन्वेस्टिगेशन का कोई चांस नहीं मिलता है ना. सो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. It is very typical. Without
इसके पीछे का कारण
गवर्नमेंट को अपील, और इट इज अपील का बात नहीं, ओनली द ग्लास इज ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन बिकॉज इट नेवर रिस्टोर. It is always saying say नादिंग द लैंग बुद हाना लैंग बुद फैया दो करेबा, नादिंग द लैंग बुद हाना लैंग बुद फैया दो क्योर बेटर देन करेबा. Oh, it is here is that I remember prevention is better than cure. Now, situation of Manipur just like a glass. It has been already broken. Here is no any kind of means to restore. This is from my opinion. Only the solution to restore peace. Per person will be standing one security. This is the only solution. Otherwise, any device from the Prime Minister, also from the Home Minister, also they cannot solve anything because they are not God. Prevention is better than cure. So now glass is broken. No means for the restore. It may be right or wrong. This is not from my opinion.
give the message. You give the message for the Manipur people.
Pardon?
You give the message for
Okay. The message to my people, it may be either Kuki or Mitai. Here is no, according to my speech or my appeal, nothing benefit. Suppose last hour on the ICU, is doctor can do anything. Now situation is that point. So any appeal, any information, no benefit कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि it is cross 11 hour. Now just 12 hour हो गया, इसीलिए का सॉल्व कुछ नहीं कर सकता. और इट इज ऑन द मोर्चोरिटी, क्या बोलता है मरने वाले को रहने का मोर्चोरिटी आ गया, उसी समय में क्या करेगा, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट ऑन सेइंग नॉट फ्रॉम मी, दिस इज अ सिचुएशन. नाउ मनीषपुर इज डेड बॉडी को कैसा जिंदा करेगा, ओनली द सोल्यूशन बाय द श्री कृष्णा.